Are you ready to burn fat and build muscle? Welcome to the ultimate high-intensity interval training, or as we like to call it, HIIT workout for beginners. This workout focuses on helping you torch fat and build lean muscle, all from the comfort of your home. So buckle up and prepare to sweat. The beauty of HIIT workouts lies in their simplicity and efficiency. They involve alternating between high-intensity and low-intensity exercises, which spikes your heart rate and boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even after you've finished your workout. First, warm up. Start with a simple 5-minute warm-up. A brisk walk or jog on the spot will do just fine. The aim here is to get your blood flowing and your muscles warmed up for the workout ahead. Before we dive into the workout, let's talk about the importance of consistency. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's not about quick fixes, but about making long-term, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. So make sure to do this HIIT workout regularly to see the best results. And don't forget, we're here to support you every step of the way. This is why we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This way, you'll get notified every time we post a new workout video. We're constantly adding new workouts to keep you motivated and challenged, so you'll never get bored or hit a plateau. So hit that subscribe button and join our fitness community. Now let's get back to the workout. Now, onto the workout. This HIIT workout consists of 5 exercises. Each exercise lasts for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. First up, we have jumping jacks. Stand straight and jump up, spreading your legs wide and swinging your arms above your head. Then jump back to the starting position. Repeat this for 40 seconds. Next, we move on to mountain climbers. Start in a plank position. Bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch and bring the other knee forward, like you're climbing a mountain. Continue this for 40 seconds. Third, we do high knees. Stand up straight and quickly bring your knees up to your chest one at a time, as if you're running on the spot. Keep this up for 40 seconds. Fourth, we have burpees. Start standing, then squat down, kick your feet back into a push-up position, lower your chest to the floor, push up into a plank, jump your feet in, and stand up. Do this for 40 seconds. Finally, we finish with squat jumps. Start in a squat position, jump up explosively, and land back into the squat. Repeat this for 40 seconds. After each exercise, take a 20-second rest. This is your time to catch your breath and prepare for the next exercise. Once you've completed all 5 exercises, that's 1 round done. For beginners, aim to complete 3 rounds with a 1-minute rest between each round. To summarize, this HIIT workout includes jumping jacks, mountain climbers, high knees, burpees, and squat jumps. Each exercise lasts for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. Aim for 3 rounds. Remember, the key to a successful HIIT workout is intensity. Push yourself during the high-intensity periods and take full advantage of the rest periods. And there you have it, the ultimate HIIT workout for beginners that can help you burn fat and build muscle. Start your fitness journey today and watch as you transform your body and mind. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and remember, every step counts. Before we wrap up, we have a little request. If you enjoyed this workout and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really makes a difference and helps us reach more people who might benefit from these workouts. And if you think a friend or family member might enjoy this HIIT workout, please share it with them. Every share counts and helps our community grow. Lastly, if you want to stay updated with our latest workouts and fitness tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Remember, we're in this fitness journey together. Until next time, stay fit and keep pushing your limits.